Right here is called The Tale of Rusty and the Winter Wind. There once was an emotional fox who went by the name of Rusty. No one was more high-spirited than Rusty. None in the land like Rusty. When Rusty was mad, the sun was blazing hot. When Rusty was sad, it would rain and never stop. Wow. Little did Rusty know the link between him and the weather. For Rusty had become more compassionate than ever. So Rusty was outside. He was outside, man. Playing outside one fateful day. When he caught a glimpse of something, when something surprising did pass his way. It was another fox caught by a hunter, caught in a hunter's trap. And the hunter passed as Rusty hid nearby. And the other fox just clawed and scratched. And the fox cried, trying to free itself from the trap. And the more the fox tried, the more entangled the fox was in the trap. And at that moment, Rusty did begin to realize that it could have been him in the trap. This Rusty began to realize. And just like that, there was a mighty winter wind that blew so hard, freeing the fox from the hunter's grasp. Oh, for it was a powerful and mighty wind. And the hunter ran away, looking for a place that was safe, never to return setting traps, due to the powerful winter wind on that very day. And when everyone had heard the powerful compassion of Rusty, they praised him day and night, saying that no one was more compassionate than Rusty. And the fox and Rusty went on to be great friends. And to this day, they tell the tale of Rusty and the winter wind. So the story right there is called The Tale of Rusty and the Winter Wind.